Hi everybody, today we are going to make an immunity booster recipe, lemon mint rasam. For that I have diluted tamarind. To that water I am adding tomato puree, 2 green chilies, few mint leaves and garlic, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, pepper powder and salt, asafoetida and 1 spoon of cumin. Just give a gentle mix, let it boil. When the bubble starts forming, just add lemon juice. I'm adding just half piece of lemon juice. Don't allow rasam to boil too much. When it bubbles, just stop cooking. Let's season it with curry leaves, mustard seeds and red chilies. It's a very flavorable, healthy rasam. It has a lot immunity. It is good in vitamin C. Whenever you have flu or cold, you can consume this rasam rice, which is so nutritious and healthy. Stay fit, eat healthy. Thank you.